In this video, you will learn about have. Have is a part of verbs. The verb have is used in many situations. It is most commonly used to talk about things that we own or possess. For example, I have 2 cats. Or, do you have a motorbike? Have is also used in the following ways: to talk about experiences, activities, and events. For example, let us have a party to celebrate your promotion. Or, I am going to have a bath. Or, did you have a good time in Kolkata? To talk about food and meals. For example, let us have lunch together. Or, can I have 2 coffees, please? To talk about travel. For example, have a safe journey. Or, they have a 45-minute stop at Jaipur before they fly to Delhi. To talk about conversations. For example, I have to talk to the manager about your poor attendance. Or, we have to prepare for the meeting. Use have in the present continuous tense by adding ing to talk about an action happening now. For example, I am having lunch with Arya. Or, he is having a bath. Use having to talk about your future plans. For example, she is having a baby in June. Or, they are having a surprise party for Tina. Now you know how to use have.